Okay, so good morning, all of you. Bete, I have sent you this PDF in which there are some questions of case studies. I have only covered the case studies which are related to the topic that we just finished. We finished this topic yesterday, dimensions of business environment. So that's the reason why I want to discuss these case studies before finishing the chapter, so that we will come to know कि आप हमारी understanding कितनी है, to evaluate and assess what is the level of understanding of this topic. So let's start reading from question number 1. Tresso Limited is a famous automobile company in small car segment. नीचे से पढ़ लेते हैं. Dimension is to be identified and then discussed. ठीक है. Recently, the company had to suffer fall in demand due to a drop in overall market growth. So from this line, Ketan Sethi. Okay, Ketan. Yes, Ketan.
Ma'am, economic environment.
This is economic environment. How you can say that this is economic environment, Bitu?
Ma'am, from the fall in price due to drop
Yes.
in overall market growth.
Yes, yes. Fall in demand. Demand and supply is a part of economic environment. So market growth की वजह से, market growth में drop की वजह से fall in demand is there. So this is a part of economic environment. All of you are clear? Next line, the various reasons for the downward trend includes a rise in fuel prices and interest rates. These are all the points supplementing the answer. ठीक है, same answer को support कर रहे हैं ये सारे points. Rise in fuel prices, again a part of economic environment. Then interest rates by the bank, again a part of economic environment. ठीक है जी. Floods in Kerala and droughts in some part of Maharashtra, which impact sale during Onam, Ganesh Chaturthi respectively. Yes, from this line another, okay, Hina wants to answer. Yes, Hina.
Ma'am, social environment.
Very good, it is social environment. How you can say that?
Ma'am, because of the festivals and
Yes,
sales according to that.
yes, the festivals are a part of custom, culture and traditions of a place. So this is a part of social environment. Very good. आगे लिखा है, the launch of a new car in previous month by its rivals also affected its sales adversely. Now your competitor has launched a new car and it affects your sales. Moreover, इसी line को support करने वाला एक और point है. Moreover, the consumers wish to upgrade to more expensive hatchbacks, compact sedans, and compact SUV from smaller cars. Okay. Anirudh want to answer? Yes, Anirudh. Anirudh.
Technology improvement.
Yes, it is a part of improvement in technology. Okay, so we will highlight this line from where upgrade से कर देते हैं, because upgradation means improvement in technology. ठीक है जी. So all the dimensions we have identified. So we are shifting on to the next question. अब बाकी जो बच्चे बचे हैं उनके चांस है. ठीक है जी. Question में again dimensions are being asked and then opportunity and threats भी पूछे with the help of examples given in the paragraph. तो यहाँ से आपने identify करना opportunity कहाँ है, threat का है. Question number 2, the organized restaurant sector in India has witnessed a double-digit growth during the year owing to consumer upsurge in eating out and ordering. So which dimension is this? Okay, Sania. No. Anyone else? Eating out. Change in profile of the consumers. Okay, Tania. Yes, Tania.
Social environment.
Yes, the type of the society, the type of the population, the profile of the people, it is a part of social environment. Now they prefer to eat outside. तो यहाँ पे भी वो लाइन एक है and then eating outside वाली लाइन. So this is a part of social environment. आगे पढ़ लेते. They are getting younger and are from more diverse backgrounds. Now they are coming from various backgrounds. It is also a part of social environment. Then after battling the turbulence caused by policy changes with demonetization and highway. Okay, 2-3 participants are raising hand. Yes, Jasmine, you want to say? Jasmine.
Political environment.
Okay, policy changes with demonetization and highway liquid ban. The sector is now experiencing growth. Political environment कैसे हुआ? चलिए किसी और से पूछते हैं. Anirudh, you want to say something?
Ma'am, legal environment.
Okay. Liquor is banned. Where ban is there, it means it is a part of liquor. It is a part of legal environment because liquor is being banned. So this point is clear. Ketan, you want to add something?
Actually, I want to ask also that demonetization word and GST rates have fallen. So economic environment भी हो सकता है.
Yes, this is there. Actually, there is not one dimension. Question में देखो लिखा identify and explain the related dimensions of business environment. So there are more than one dimension. So where liquor is banned, it is legal environment. Where is GST में cut किया 18% to 5% हो गया है, which further boost up the market segment. So it is a part of economic environment. Very right answer. GST में कट है और उसकी वजह से हमारा मार्केट बूस्ट हुआ. This is a part of economic environment. Where liquor is being banned, it is a part of legal environment. And political environment is not there, bete, because political environment will be there when word government, political party, some word like this will be there. Then only we will think this is political environment. Okay, the next is opportunity or threats बताने हैं इसमें. So what is the opportunity? Okay, ये सेम ही बच्चे हाथ खड़े कर रहे हैं, बाकी भी बच्चे कुछ बोले. Okay, मिताली. Yes, मिताली.
मैम eating out and getting ordering, ऐसे वाली जो लाइन है वो उससे पता लग रहा है कि वो अपॉर्चुनिटी.
Okay. या फिर इस लाइन से मुझे लगता है ज्यादा नहीं पता चलेगा. Change in the profile of the consumer. This line, I think, gives the more emphasis that people are changing their taste and preferences, and this is an opportunity for our business. Okay, and what is the threat? Threat का कोई answer? 4 participants. Okay, Chahat is there. Yes, Chahat, you can please answer.
Ma'am, policy changes with demonetization and the highway liquor ban.
Okay, so policy changes is there, and इधर लिखा है ना after battling the turbulence. Turbulence किस चीज से हुआ? हमें किस चीज से बैटल करनी पड़ी? क्योंकि policy changes हुए, उससे हमारा business बहुत इफेक्ट हुआ. How? Because liquor was banned और demonetization हुई, उसमें हमारे business को काफी threat हुआ. But then we survived to this, and now the sector is experiencing growth and so on and so on. So that is the right answer. So let's shift on to the next question. थोड़ा बड़ा सा है, नीचे से पढ़ लेते हैं. Identify the related concept. Explain the related dimensions of business environment. Okay, in India, the air purifier market is estimated to be about 200 to 50 crore with over 60 brands operating in this segment. Jasmine ने पहले हाथ खड़े कर दिया. Jasmine, is there any answer in this line? No. आगे वाली लाइन के लिए चलिए. However, more than half of the purchases are still by institutional buyers such as foreign embassies, luxury hotels, and large corporate institutions. In household sector, its market is limited to some affluent consumers or people with respiratory problems buying it for households. This is because air purifier is still hyped up in India. There is lack of awareness, the wrong perception that indoor air quality is better than outdoor, and the recurring cost involved is in changing the filters. Okay, so whole of the story tells us that India में the people are not much aware about the use of air purifier. लोगों को लगता है कि इसमें cost बहुत ज्यादा लगती है, एंड हमारे घर के अंदर तो जो ऑक्सीजन हम ले रहे हैं, जो एयर इज दिस प्योरीफायर एज कंपेयर टू द एयर आउटसाइड, बट यू नो दिस इज जस्ट अ मिथ. सो कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट डायमेंशन कौन सा है? ओनली वन? ओके, 2 3. यस मान्या, you can unmute yourself.
लीगल एनवायरनमेंट.
लीगल एनवायरनमेंट कैसे हो गया बेटे? कहाँ लिखा है इसमें लीगल?
मैम अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करना और
नो नो
एयर
नो नो
क्वालिटी
बेटे, लीगल इज प्योरली रिलेटेड टू कोई लॉ पास करना, कोई नया एक्ट पास करना. हियर देयर इज नो एक्ट, नो कोर्ट, नो जज इन्वॉल्व इन द होल स्टोरी. सो कहीं दूर दूर पे भी लीगल एनवायरनमेंट तो नहीं मुझे लग रहा है. ओके, तानिया इज देयर. यस तानिया.
Ma'am, social environment.
ओके, सोशल आपको वाई बेटे और हाउ?
Ma'am, because it depends. The sale of the purifiers depends upon the people living in the society and their thinking.
Very good, very good. Because the people living in the society are someone who affects the demand, and they have this mentality. I told you earlier, the type of population wherein you are running your business. If you are running your business in the area where all illiterate people lives, so they will demand something like that. उनको पता ही नहीं है कि air purifier has this and this benefit. And when you are running the same business in an area where posh area is there, or the highly educated people are there, there you will be able to sell it in a better way. So social environment is clear. Any other dimension? If you, any one of you can find, you can raise your hand. Any one of you? No? Kannav Batra. Yes, Kannav.
मैम इकोनॉमिक एस्पेक्ट. मैम कॉस्ट ज्यादा है तो लोग मतलब जो उनकी फिल्टर्स की रेकरिंग कॉस्ट है चेंजिंग फिल्टर्स की, वो ज्यादा है तो लोग परचेज नहीं करते.
Okay. Aditi. Yes, Aditi, you want to add something?
Technological.
Okay.
environment.
How technological?
Ma'am, air purifier is still hyped in India. New innovation.
बेटे इस लाइन का तो मतलब ये है कि इस चीज की हाइप बना रखी है लोगों ने, इस चीज का मिथ बना रखा है कि वो बहुत कॉस्टली होते हैं, इट इज यूजलेस, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज इट, हमें जरूरत ही नहीं है. दिस इज व्हाट दिस लाइन सेज. तो टेक्नोलॉजी हाइप्ड डजंट मीन्स टेक्नोलॉजी हियर. ठीक है. एंड इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट भी मुझे कुछ खास यहाँ पे नहीं लग रहा है, because here they are just saying about the people who are purchasing it, how many of the pieces they are here. उन्होंने बोला है they are purified market में 200 से 250 करोड़ जो है वो है, इतनी ब्रांड्स हैं हमारे पास. कुछ कस्टमर यहाँ के हैं, कुछ कस्टमर वहां के, यहाँ के लोगों की सोच ऐसी है, एंड कॉस्ट इज इन्वॉल्व, दैट्स ऑल. यस Ketan.
Yes, ma'am. I also think that technological environment is there.
Okay,
As
how?
we have seen that recurring cost involved changing filters. Ma'am, we have seen that the air purifiers have, we have to change the filters of the purifier, but this shows the lack of technology.
Okay.
While in other nations where there are more advanced filters, they don't
Okay.
need to change the filters.
But beta, this is now here you are assuming it on your own. Now this is what you are assuming, that we are having filters of very low quality in which we need to replace the filters again and again. And in the other country there may be some better technology. So technological environment can be there. Like in business studies, it happens that you, for example, you are asked to write 2 dimensions. You can write and give your viewpoint. If your viewpoint is correct, from your perspective, the answer is correct. But this may or may not be correct. Okay? Yes, Aditi, you want to say again something?
Yes, yes, ma'am. I want to clarify on this on the statement of technological environment, that it is a new scientific innovation and it is a new technique and method in which the business can operate. Because people have this misconception that outdoor quality air is not good. That can be a
Yes, we can write, like you can give this example of this changing filter and recurring cost. I believe this can be there. So you can write this, the technological environment, like poor technology is there that incurred a lot of cost. That is the reason why people are not opting for these air filters. So that is the answer which we can add in here. Acha, one more point here in this question. It is, what are the various elements of specific forces and general forces of the business which were mentioned herein. So can you please identify specific and general forces? Specific forces. Are there any specific forces here? Okay, Kannav Batra. Yes, beta, you can unmute yourself.
Specific forces are that only people with respiratory problems or less people are purchasing that because it is hyped up, we can say.
Yes, because basically here they are talking about the customers, and the customers to my business are limited to my business only. So the customers or consumers are a part of specific force. And what about general forces? Anyone? General forces. Okay, so general forces, beta, let me tell you, as we have discussed just now, social environment is there, and social environment means the people living there, they have a particular type of thinking, they have a particular like standard of living and thought process on purchasing and not purchasing something. So social environment becomes a part of general force, right? Okay, so let's come up to the next question, question number 4. Again, the dimensions of business environment are being asked. So let's read the transactions on the UPI system, that is Unified Payment Interface. You may have heard of it or may have used, have increased tremendously over past few months post demonetization and promotion of digitalization by the government in power. So I think in this one line, 2 dimensions have been covered. Demonetization के बाद, मतलब after demonetization they are saying there is tremendous increase in UPI. Okay, 8 students want to answer. Let us give chance to Vandana. Yes, Vandana, you can unmute yourself.
Ma'am, political environment.
Political environment, how you can say?
Ma'am, government in power wali line mein.
Very good, because there is a line which says promotion of digitalization, and this promotion is done by whom? Who is promoting digitalization? Who is saying cashless India? Who is saying this line? Government in power, जो भी हमारे country की government है, it is saying we should avoid using cash और digitalization हो जानी चाहिए. So government is saying something, it is a political environment. Very right. The next point, okay, Hina, unmute yourself, beti.
Ma'am, promotion and digitalization technological environment में नहीं आ सकता.
No, please just think little bit more about this. You are somewhere there. You have identified correct dimension, but line is not correct. Anyone else? Okay, Vandana.
Yes, ma'am.
You have raised your hand. Okay, Jasmine.
नहीं मैम, वो पहले आंसर के.
No issues.
Ma'am, when it is said that UPI have increased tremendously over
Yes,
past few months.
yes, very good. UPIs have been increased. What is UPI? Bete? UPI is an online payment system. This is a unified payment interface through which we can send money online. To send money online, we have used, like we have got a platform, online digitalization. So that is a part of technological environment. Very right answer, but line should be here. And digitalization is promoted by government. So it is political environment. Let's read the rest part of the question. Many people nowadays are using mobile based fund transfer mechanism to pay offline purchases, bill payment, taxi rides and other purposes. So same lines, they are supporting the same answer. ठीक है जी, technological को support कर रहे हैं. Next is with digital wallets affected by tighter regulations, including RBI of India customer authentication rule, more consumers are likely opting for UPI, which facilitates real-time bank-to-bank fund transfer. Okay, 2 students. Anirudh, yes, bete.
मैम यहाँ लीगल एनवायरनमेंट की बात की गई है क्योंकि रेगुलेशंस
Yes,
विद डिजिटल वर्ल्ड.
Yes, here the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, they have set in some customer authentication rule. They have made some regulations. So here the legal environment or the judiciary is being involved. More consumers are likely to opting for UPI, which facilitates real-time bank-to-bank fund transfer. UPI consists growth in is driven mainly by the rapid adoption of popular payment apps, so and so and so. So that's all. All the lines are supporting the technological only, wherein Reserve Bank of India and its rules are being involved. So we can say that. Yes, Ketan, you also want to say. Yes, Ketan.
Ma'am, social environment is also there, I think.
Okay.
Like many people nowadays are using mobile-based fund transfer, this line and the last line are also. Ma'am, like consumer.
Okay. Yes. That is also right. Many people are now thinking that this, like the more customers are opting for UPI, the people are having preferences for something. Now people don't prefer to carry cash with them when they are going outside to purchase something. They also they most of the time they prefer कि okay Google Pay कर देते हैं, code scan करते हैं, payment कर देते हैं, fund transfer कर देते हैं. Who will carry cash? And these days in COVID we avoid touching. जैसे अभी currency notes हैं. Once I will touch, I will give it to the shopkeeper, he will touch. So there are more chances of infection. So most of the people now, they are very much health conscious. So they are shifting on to using this online system. So that is what consists of. Social environment is also there. Yes. Okay, Sanya wants to say something. Sanya, yes.
मैम जो फर्स्ट सेकेंड लाइन है पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स पोस्ट डीमोनेटाइजेशन, मैम वहाँ पर इकोनॉमिक इन्वायरमेंट नहीं आ सकता?
बेटे इट्स पोस्ट डीमोनेटाइजेशन की बात करें. नो, इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट इज नॉट देयर. इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट विल बी देयर. लाइक demonetization is a step which is taken by government just to curb black money generation जो था and to change the currency. Economic environment will be there when it will be given in the question that it helps to decrease the money supply in the economy, increase the money supply, या rates change हो गए, interest rates have been inflated और कुछ ऐसा. So 3 points if you remember we have discussed. One is economic system, उसकी बात नहीं हुई. Economic environment में हमारी इकोनॉमिक कंडीशंस की बात नहीं हुई, इन्फ्लेशन डिफ्लेशन की बात नहीं हुई है, रेट चेंज, फॉरेन करेंसी पॉलिसी, टैक्सेशन पॉलिसी, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं हुई. सो इकोनॉमिक एनवायरनमेंट विल नॉट बी हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन, मे बी इन द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स read again. The dimensions of business environment are being discussed. Vistara Airlines has recently launched its complimentary wireless in-flight entertainment system. The entertainment system will be made available. Okay, 4 बच्चों ने hand raise किया है, right? I think the same students are raising hands again and again. I want rest of you to participate, bete. Okay, Aditi is there. Aditi, you want to answer? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Vistara Airlines, ये first line technological.
Yes, it is a technological environment. How? From which line? Wireless flight entertainment system. Wireless, in-flight entertainment system. Like when you are using that flight, when you are in on board, you will get some entertainment system which is wireless. So it is technological environment. Very good. Number 2, the entertainment system will be made available across the entire network of fleet of 22 planes. The entertainment system has been named Vistara World. The passengers can access the system on their own laptops and mobile phones and can choose from the multimedia library of Bollywood and Hollywood content. Vistara World also offers a map where passengers can track their flight right from takeoff and this and this and this. And so all the lines are just supplementing the one answer, and the question is also only one dimension is being asked. So the answer is technological environment. Okay, ji? Nothing else. So explanation we have already done. So we are just shifting on to the next question. Now the BJP government in this and at the center and in Rajasthan is making efforts to improve returns from agriculture. So 5 participants have already raised their hand. Kashvi, yes, Kashvi, unmute yourself. Sorry, I can't hear you.
Political environment.
Political environment, very good, because see, in the very first word we have come to know BJP government. When they are talking about government, it means it is a part of political environment of the business. So BJP government at the center and in Rajasthan is making efforts to improve returns from agriculture, and it is committed to doubling farmers income by 2020. Now they are committing कि हम farmers की जो income है 2020 में double कर देंगे by 2022. The Rajasthan government has introduced innovative farming by way of producing palm and olive in the state. The government has set up an olive oil refinery also in the state to benefit farmers. The government in Rajasthan have waived farm loans for up to 50,000 to bring relief to stressed farmers. So, any other point? Actually, this is a very smart work. First of all, we are supposed to check what the question asks. Question asks dimension of business environment. It is one dimension they have asked. We have discussed. So we will shift on to the next question. Okay? So in exam also you are supposed to seek dimension or dimensions. What they have asked. Next question. Telecom Regulatory Authority of India, TRAI को हम बोलते हैं, has recently slapped heavy penalty on major telecom operators in India for not meeting several quality benchmarks. The telecom operators have been fined for various quality related parameters, including accessibility of customer care center, percentage of calls answering by the operators in a set time frame, metering and billing for postpaid consumers, so and so and so. So बड़ा कुछ लिखा है. So you already got the answer. I can see 4 participants has raised their hand. Okay, Jasmine. Yes, Jasmine.
Ma'am, it is legal environment.
It is legal environment, yes, because this is an authority. India में TRAI is an authority which basically regulates telecom sector. So telecom sector में they have made some rules and regulation. They are penalty उनको डाल रहे हैं, उनको ban कर दिया है, कुछ को fine डाल दिया. So all this is a part of legal environment, and they ask only 1 point. Yes, Anirudh, you want to say something else? No? Okay, so this is another question. Question number 3, I am reading from here. The government of India has recently come up with an amendment to section 6 of Payment of Wages Act 1936. आगे नहीं पढ़ने की जरूरत है. From this line, we have come to the conclusion which first point is there. Okay. So Muskan can answer now. Muskan, Sian.
Ma'am, legal environment.
Very good. It is legal environment because whenever acts are there, Wages Act, Payment and Wages Act, or some other section में change किया है, it is a part of legal. One more point will be there in the question. Let's read further question. To allow employers of certain industries to make payment through various electronic modes of payment. The amendment will be applicable to all the public sector undertakings for wages disbursement using e-payment option. This is another milestone in the direction of further push to cashless economy. Okay, so many hands, so many. I think this is a very easy. Okay, Tamanna ने कोई आंसर नहीं किया आज. Tamanna, yes बेटी.
Technological environment.
Yes, yes. It is technological environment because they have used e-payment options. They are saying कि wages जो देने हैं अपने public sector में जितने भी लोगों को salary wages, we will pay it through online payment system. Okay. Okay, next question. अभी हम इसके नीचे वाला देखते हैं. Dimension, okay. Because today we are only focused on dimension. Question number 4. It is heartening that the implementation of compliance requirements of the Companies Act 2013 has progressed substantially with Nifty 500 companies. Again dimensions, तो बच्चों ने हाथ खड़े कर दिया है because act से हमें पता चल गया है कि this is the answer of Mitali.
Legal.
Very good. It is a part of legal environment till now. Further, we will see data shows a significant increase in women's participation in the top management of Indian companies from 5% few years ago to 13% now. Even companies which are not in Nifty 500 have undertaken drives to increase women participation across different areas. Okay, 7 more students have raised their hand. So, Sanya can answer.
Social environment from increase in women's participation.
Yes, when they are talking about women's participation is being increased, they have pushed that women should participate more. This is a part of social environment. I told you yesterday, when they are not treating both men and women equally, and when they are not like uplifting women or men, whatever society is having, like what is the thought process of the people in that particular area, that is the social environment. So I think 2 points have been covered. Any other point from this question? If any one of you can see any other point? Okay, Anirudh. Yes, Anirudh, you can unmute yourself.
मैम नो पॉइंट मैम, मुझे पता नहीं कौन सा पॉइंट है और
Okay, no problem. Any other point if you want, bete, then only please raise your hand, otherwise hands down kar lijiye. Okay, Himani, you can answer if you have any other point.
Ma'am, political environment from
How
last line.
How?
It is talked about government.
Okay, the government has also announced that it would support such companies who are uplifting women's participation. Yes, from this line we can say, okay, Vandana, you want to say something? Vandana.
Ma'am.
Beta, you are not audible. I don't know why. I think you have some network issue.
Ma'am, economic environment.
You can write it in chat. I will read it from there. Yes, government participation. Government is uplifting those companies, or government is supporting those companies. So political environment can also be written as the answer, because they have written dimensions. So there can be more than 1, 2, 3, 4, kitni bhi dimensions aapki ho sakti hai. Okay, so this is the last question in which importance and features of dimension business environment will be there. So we only have 1 minute and 9 seconds. So we'll go a bit faster, and jaise aapko answer milta hai, aap hand raise kariye, I'll ask you. Naman and Govind, after finishing their graduation under vocational stream, decided to start their own travel agency, which will book rail air tickets on commission basis. They thought of providing tickets 10 minutes through the use of internet. Okay, Jasmine has raised. Yes, Jasmine.
Technological environment.
How?
Ma'am, the line that says that they will provide the tickets through internet.
Through internet, yes. When they will provide tickets through internet, it is use of technology. Okay. Next is they discussed the idea with their professor, Mr. Mehta, who liked the idea and suggested them to first analyze the business, which consists of investor, this and this and this, and social and political. So many factors are there. So from this line, I think so here, bete, we are not asking, they don't ask us about the dimension. They ask us about features also. So which feature is there? Can you please tell me? Is line mein feature tha hai? Is line